Okay, so kids, name the fruits that are very rare, which means fruits that are hard to find.
Sir, me.
Oh, so Mr. Chucha wants to answer. Okay, so tell me names of rare fruits.
Sir, the fruit of hard work and patience.
But Mr. Chucha, how do you eat these fruits?
Sir, you always give us eggs in the test results. Did we ever ask how to eat those eggs? Actually, sir, you ask the wrong questions always.
My question is wrong? Okay then, tell me, if there are 5 stars in the sky and one falls, then how many stars are left?
Sir, I can answer this question only in the night. I'll be able to count stars when I see them. This time also you have asked the wrong question.
Hey, Chuche! Why don't you ask the right question?
Alright, sir, I'll give you a demo. Imagine, sir, if you and I are sitting in a boat and the boat has a hole in it, then what will happen?
Hole in the boat? Hey, Chuche! Both of us will drown with the boat.
How can we drown, sir? The boat has not yet entered the water. So you need to think a little positive.
Hey, Chuche! Go stand like a buffalo till the bell rings.
Ayyo, Chuski sir. An ideal teacher does not get angry with the kids like this. You should be very, very friendly with the students, just like me.
Act friendly with kids?
If you don't become friendly, then promotion cancelled.
Till date, I don't have a single friend. So how would I know what actual friendship is like?
This is the kind of question I was looking for, sir. Watch, I'll give you a demo of answer. Uy, Bolly. How do you call Chucha with love? Hey, goofball. Now you know, sir, this is what the real friendship looks like.
Chucha! No more promotion for me, I guess.
Sir, no fear. Honey is here. You just have to let go this week's homework. And we'll fix some hack to make you friendly,
Promise?
Double promise.
Okay, so tell me, what is your plan?
Panditji, what does one need to do to become an ideal teacher?
One needs to order 4 plates of rasgulla for Panditji.
Honey bro, get 1 plate for me as well.
4 plate rasgullas? I'll have to get my cheeks time to pay for them.
Oi bro, Lalli, your friend Chucha is feeling hungry and you're thinking of hogging everything alone. Aro likes.
Oi, Chuche bro, don't you worry. Just keep doing what you've been doing.
But what was Mr. Chucha doing since the start?
Nothing really, Panditji. The rasgullas that you ask us to get for you, I just lick them and keep them back in your plate. I never actually eat them.
Oh, Chuche!
No, Panditji. He's just kidding with you. Chuchagri as always. So 4-plate rasgulla deal is on. Just give us the idea.
Just do one thing, arrange a meeting in school and take a suggestion from everyone, which Chuski sir will implement. And then you will get a friendly Chuski sir.
Wow, Mr. Honey, you gave an excellent idea. I will arrange a meeting with all the teachers to make Chuski an ideal person, just like me. Dear teachers, before you all give your suggestion, please listen to my suggestion. Kindly welcome the students in the classroom. The kids will be happy and will fare very well in the exams.
You should play with the students on my whistle.
Kabaddi, 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 kabaddi.
Share your lunch with others. Sharing is caring, you know.
Do, re, mi, singing and dancing with the kids.
Chuski sir's friendly training will start with round 1. Need to welcome kids. Chusky sir, who used to make us bowl all the time, is welcoming us into the class. Honey, you have fixed a great jugaad.
So, Mr. Chucha, please tell me how should I welcome you?
Sir, first I just want you to scratch my back. My back is getting very itchy. Oy, 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 oy. What a relief. Sir, you are excellent at scratching, sir.
Okay, move ahead. Next.
No, sir, I got one more thing.
Oh, what is it now?
Sir, just last thing, one more.
Friendly training round 2. Playing with the kids.
Chusky sir, I have set kabaddi sport for you on my whistle.
Ayyo, very interesting.
Kabaddi, 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 kabaddi.
You stop saying kabaddi. You're out on my whistle.
Now I'll teach Fukre boys how to play kabaddi like a pro. Kabaddi, 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 kabaddi.
Boli, surround him.
Changumangu, attack! Oy, 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 oy.
Ayyo, Panditji, who is this person who has come directly from the madhouse to the school? Get him out.
Sir, this is me, Teacher Chusky. Sir, this is all because of your training.
Ayyo, Chusky. Don't worry. To become an ideal teacher, it is necessary to work hard. Just like me. Now you should quickly start round number 3.
Sir, I will not share my aloo parathas with anyone.
But this is very profitable, Chusky sir. You will also get to eat a variety of foods that children bring in lunch.
All right.
Hey, Fukras, wait. Changumangu, check their tiffin boxes. Molly, tiffin empty. I knew that. You will share empty tiffin with Chusky, sir.
But there's still food in our tiffin.
Oy, oy, oy. Then whose lunchbox did I finish if it was not Lali's? This tiffin is mine. Hey, Chuche! Hey, goofball. If I don't get any food soon, I'll make you a half fry. Got it?
Hey, Boli, don't you worry. We'll do something about your lunch.
Oy, 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 oy. Aloo parathe. Chucha's second favorite.
Sir, we all will help you in sharing your food.
Hey, Fukre boys, first show me your tiffins.
Sir, why don't you exchange your aloo parathas with our noodles?
Yes, yes. Why not? Sharing is caring, right?
Sir, this jalebi is sitting there and teasing you. Eat that jalebi first. Sir, the rasgullas are staring at you. Have them, sir.
Hey, but...
Sir, Chucha's favorite chole bhature are feeling bad now. You must eat them first. Wait. I'll taste this and then give you.
Mr. Chucha, wait. Hey, Chuche, you did not give me any chola bhatura.
Please accept my sorry, sir. Actually, when I eat chole bhature, so I forget everything.
Then give me my aloo parathas back.
Sir, but we gave you noodles in exchange.
So where are the noodles?
But sir, for that we gave you jalebi and rasgullas too.
Yeah, but I did not eat any of these things.
Oy, sir. We shared so much with each other, but we didn't get caring from you. Sorry, sir, but you failed in round 3.
Hey, Chuche!
Your anger has not cooled down yet. Round 4 is very important.
Ideal teacher training round 4. Dancing with kids.
Sir, I am an expert at this. I'll rock the dance floor with my moves.
Sir, snake dance, sir. Sir, bull dance. Sir, kangaroo dance. Sir, monkey dance. Sir, last. Let's become Chureka fans and dance together.
Ayyo, Chusky sir, you had to become friendly, but you became a hukra. Ayyo, Chucha!